What's up, my people on the day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So happy Sunday to you guys. I believe you guys are doing good. So this video is not going to be long, so I enjoy you guys to make sure to watch it to the very end. You understand? For people who have been enjoying my videos, I thank you very much. Like, you are the best, you get. And for people who are coming across my channel for the very first time, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It is very, very important. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Mama, don't look me like say I be man mechanical. Me na Benz mechanic. Our money long. Check on an iPhone 16, I be that. For this old Adubo, I may be the first person to buy iPhone 16. Sexy mama, fine on Biageli, skin like me. Choco Milo, mama I did for you.
I'm fine, I'm Mozkoh. Go fix that Benz now.
Oga no they call me. You know this is a joy day yet. Sorry for this stupid interruption. So mama, Isabel, let me put your number for there. Respectfully.
Hello, what? No, they beg me. I know they like that kind of thing. No, they beg me. When now we fight wagging now. When we fight wagging. Now that guy break. No, they. I'm going to my house. Nah. I said let you hold on for them. I mean, want to use my hand kill that guy. That guy go walk this motor. That guy go walk him. Hold on there. Nah.
No be lying.
They play.
Oh, no problem.
Thanks, boy.
Thank you.
You don't collect the number again.
I don't get chance. I won't go work.
Oh, you won't go repair motor?
It's like my sim don't even full zeb.
Mama, I won't call return bottle.
See about what you saw.
See about yours, so I know the other they talk to you.
No, you reach to insult me.
No, I know insult you. Now my language I take beg you. I say I bet me you leave me make I dey go.
Call your number for me. I want that. Me, I like you.
Mama, may we just leave that number now.
I'm advertising, aren't you?
080.
Benz boy. Now 2 minutes I give. Hey, I don't want to make you to do me. Oh. What do they do for you?
I know if you go. You know, so you never give me my phone.
La caca. Yeah, this guy.
Don't collect your phone.
Hey, I'm going.
I want to see Nash.
Nah, it's me, man. Like it. Someone wants.
Come on here, Isa.
Jama.
You won't collect number for Adubo woman.
Baby, you are back already, so quick.
I don't understand when that one starts, but that's why they pay. They have me say so quick. Come, please for us to watch. You don't wash it.
Yes, I've washed it.
You don't mop that dining table.
Sorry, I forget. I think I will do that now.
What's your problem, this man? No, talk first. For this whole thing, you say, I mean, they can't everything for my head. I go pay bills, feed you, buy you clothes, don't do things, common things for house.
I won't buy the carry for
place.
Nonsense.
Don't let you go for my hand, I beg.
Don't worry.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I don't know. I beg where you did.
What's happened?
They don't almost catch me for where I go collect to pay. Now, backyard I do like this.
You know, see, I know they turn up for girls now.
I know, say no, they turn up for girls. I beg, don't let them look me for face, pour me spit.
Okay, don't do. Why you did like this now?
Don't let them look me for face, pour me away.
No, me got those videos.
Let's move.
Am I entering that place?
Just now?
Okay.
Black Jesus.
Babe, I bet me carry check come and some collect fresh air. Hey, Oga, come. You see where the camera dustbin go?
Madam, walk clear the thing now.
I don't understand. When this one full? This is never full now. What's happened? No, it's never full. for. I'm going to come every 3 times in a week, 4 times in a week. And another person they pay extra money for dustbin. I believe I'm never fool.
Madam, no clear. They tell it like this now.
Yeah, Chris. I'm going to see what you now. Okay, I say you never fool. Leave her. I'll go check her for you. Go for you. They go. They go. Actually, they go. Look at the see your back. They go.
Babe, allow him to trash it now. The thing is smelly.
I'm going to kill you, the Chris. Let them pay the money. And yourself for. Leave her for me.
Let's
So I think by next week, once you don't fool, I'll go burn her. Just leave her for me. See them, they smell safe.
I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face.
I don't want to see you close to Sandra again. Baba, you don't fit do anything. See, I don't miss Sandra. I don't take care of her when Sandra no get anything. So because this money can't enter your hand, I think if you collect her from my hand, I no go gree.
You are insane. Like guy, you too dumb. Yes.
Now mama will give birth to you, now you dumb.
Say that again. You say what?
Say
that again.
Now you want shoot.
I'm gonna blow
You know where I come from? Fantastic. But this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. This is method acting. No. See the way he. You be. I love it. I love you. I love you. What? I'm shooting a scene. What? I gave you the wig gun. This is the fake gun.
Hey.
Jesus!
And this one will not fire.
It's a rap.
That's how you die.
That's how I die, you.
Solo.
Ex-boyfriend.
That's girlfriend. What are you doing here?
I came to shop with my sweet boyfriend.
Ah.
What about you?
Well, I came here with my wife.
You're married?
Yes, and as you can see, she's heavily pregnant carrying my baby.
Ah.
Can you imagine?
How much is everything?
428,000, sir.
Madam, see, you the keys. I don't know if it is possible. Make I get your number.
If I slap
Can you
you,
imagine?
Stupid fool.
come back, Pop.
That's when I'm personally work for office.
Thank you very much, sir. I don't even know you from anywhere, but you paid my bills.
Hey!
My husband will be very grateful.
You need bread at least. My husband will be very grateful to kill you there.
Can you imagine? Just to embrace each other. Fake life.
This premiere is proud
Hey, when I
supported
you
by
lose some
IamDike.
400 or something, can I go work for your pocket? My
Yes,
contribution is online.
yes. Very funny. Ah, yes.
Now for people they do online meetings now.
Okay, thank you everyone for joining. Thank you. Bye.
Salam alaikum. Cannabis in the water.
Who be that?
Na mi kekere ke ti o kere.
You dey up?
Baby, come. Which kind of finish talk with this? Share the wire yourself ni. Share the wire yourself ni. Which kind of talk
You
with
don't
this?
have what you come Nduka.
I beg, I need a cutlery, huh?
You don't have what you beg all the time.
God,
so,
see pressure.
What the guy will they pay?
You will handicap. Let's watch this
you
video.
don't afraid to drink.
Let's watch this video.
What did they try to do? They pay me the guy with not to your friends. Mommy, slow. They pay me the guy with not to your friends.
Prayer works, bro. Prayer works, bro.
God, I beg.
They want Jesus.
They want Jesus, can you imagine? Don't show me boss.
Who please?
I beg, make one show me where I go fit go shit, yeah.
Where did they want this one? Who will be this one?
Oh, I no get a conscience, yeah. Oh, I no get a conscience, yeah. I say, make una show me where I go fit go shit, yeah. Go shit, yeah. Go play so your cock, make it say go kakana. Let me that, yeah.
Okay, go backyard.
My mood right now. Smiley face, you feel like you are laughing at me. My mood does not suit.
Wait till I talk that time. National and everybody they use for the compound. And make sure say you beg your yash well. May your shit no touch ground.
Jesus! So who's telling me to go shit on my pot?
Now these fools wait sit down for there.
Who plays? Tio. 5 years of madness.
Excuse me, sir. Yeah. Good day, sir. Good day. Sir, I'm sorry to bother you, sir. If you take a very good look at me, you see that I'm not a beggar. From head to toe. But, sir, I need your help. I just put to bed triplets. Triplets? And as I talk to you now, the government is planning of taking the children from me. Because I can't cater for them. Sir, any amount you can help me with, just so I can discharge them from the hospital, I will appreciate.
Okay, sorry. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
You accept transfer, right?
I do, sir.
Call your account number.
06
90
90.
Yes. This is your name?
Yes, sir.
I just sent you 50,000.
Jesus.
It's okay. Take care of your family, right?
Thank you. God bless you, sir.
Daddy!
Govinda, how are you?
Fine.
What are you doing here?
We went shopping.
Came for shopping? Let's go home.
Dad, are you a beggar?
Eh? You say?
Dad, are you a beggar?
And Tamoto. Now started to pay your school fees. Idiot.
Can you imagine?
Actually, next week.
Next week. Hey, I'm happy for you. See what marriage?
What did I discuss for them?
Mazi, good afternoon. I did invite her to my wedding where they happen next week Saturday.
You know go hold.
Mazi, what should I talk about one about my own wedding? See, I rebuke every negative thought concerning my wedding. Fire, I rebuke her for what? Me, what of Zion?
You are rebuking the wrong person. Next week we go see.
What's going on here? See the wrong person for your back.
Our latest bride. How was the wedding?
You know who?
Limau.
Who's this name with the baby?
He got done. Yeah. Okay.
What be this? Hey!
Come to way back for this.
Jesus.
Ha!
What is this you are wearing? I know they feel comfortable inside box and I want to start to wear pants.
Hey!
So this pants, who owns it? My pants too. I don't define them, see, Nduka.
Exactly. Blood of Jesus. Blood of... Yeah, man. It's the only turn up. He got turn up.
Who take her, who take her, she's a warrior.
Officer, good day, sir. Your paper. This paper, I don't know where it is. May I call my friend?
So no be your car?
No, officer, not my car. Now my guy car. Borrow my take come out.
Your driver's license nko?
It in my pocket, sir.
Call the guy.
Okay.
Hello, my bro. I bet police hold me for you. I bet where the papers there. I don't find a tire. No see him. Okay.
Let's have it.
Last. Listen me that. Officer, I don't see the paper.
Okay. Officer.
Yes, sir.
Search this car. My friend, come down.
Hey!
Mommy, see you.
Officer, I mean, no put anything for my car. Okay?
Mind the way you talk to police.
Sorry, sir. Officer, nothing inside, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Thank God. Encourage the boys now.
Officer. Me and I don't say if I see something for this car, I don't go allow me go. But I don't see something for the car, I want to ask me I do something.
That's why you don't need to commit any crime.
Officer, you're right. But if it be like this now, money what they expect never come. So based on expectation, if every year good, I'll call update tonight. Yeah, na checkpoint now.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'll come check on a checkpoint.
I like this guy's spirit.
Thank you, sir.
You be good citizen.
Thank you, sir.
Collect. Why they check me like this?
Ah, officer, I get weekly for hand.
I get medicine for her.
Officer, no worry, no worry.
Make I see.
Mommy,
Officer, the truth is say this kind of my guy car. And this Igbo I see him for inside my guy car.
Officer, put this guy inside car. Make the guy will get the car. Come pay the Igbo. You say?
I said blast.
Blast him inside the car. Officer, what did they play?
What is it supposed to be?
It's simple now. You say now. Like, okay, and shoot. So, this.
You want to do it to you?
Under this hand. We can do it. So, this is what. Put it on top of this. Yeah. See, put it. Let the leg go under the rod. Wow. I teach you. Maybe the second one now.
If I hear, I say you will feel it.
Drag it. Yeah! Yeah! Do it now! Do it now! Robot in law! I said, big law in there! Yeah! Yeah!
You don't do it again.
You didn't get it. You didn't get it. Hey, you didn't get it. You have to do it together. Let's, before we start with the left leg, so we are wrong. Let's start with the right leg, with the right. So, wow.
Let's start with the right leg, we'll be right.
Yes. Yeah, drag it.
If I hear, say
yeah! Drag it. Yeah!
Leg don't break. So you have to bring an ambulance just for this stuff. Oh, wow. You try it. You talk.
Oh, yeah, my God,
Zini, what did they do?
What happened? You know that allow me enjoy myself.
The last time when I give you belly, now smoke, they smoke. We make you go bomba start for me. Now you don't drink now. Zini, you're pregnant for crying out loud.
Leave me, oh. Na bella I carry you, no be sickness they do me. I beg, leave me make I enjoy myself. Wait me this one now.
Zini, do you know that a pregnant woman is not allowed to take an alcohol?
Hey, he be doctor.
If you know what thing go for you now, grab this drink now. Go inside now.
So? What will happen? In fact, I go leave you. Make I go where I go drink 5 bottles of drink every day. They enjoy myself. Not nonsense. I don't leave you. I don't go. Nonsense, man.
We go do DNA for this speaking. DNA na 1.5 million. I don't even get that money. Oh God. Oh cheap.
I don't come up for your house.
Go. You go need me. I'll tell you something, eh? If you want to keep like how the people don't get anywhere, the people will still come find him, Papa.
2 years later. You leave her money because of alcohol.
So my ex-wife they call me. Hello? What thing happen?
Since that time, why not even feel ask of us? Your pikin don't grow. And you say you won't go pastoral school. You won't become pastor.
It's a good thing. So what is the issue now?
We need money. We need 500,000 to use register and for school.
500,000 for what? Do they buy the full school? I have nothing on me now, but I will run around. I will deliver. Don't send me a account number.
You never ever see your pikin. You don't see many years later. You don't old.
Now my wife, now this pastoral school is fine. So next quarter they pay 500,000, 1 million.
You know what? I'm stingy man.
It's worth it. I'm impressed. Oh my picking now.
See him.
My kid dress like a mad person like that.
No. You know, say na pastoral school now they dress decent.
Oh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Now your father be this.
Papa, good afternoon. Yeah, it's okay. No, but you don't resemble me, but that's not a problem. Another thing there is I'm impressed that you choose the path of the Lord, not like your elder brother that goes around smoking canna up and down in Banga. The thing there is, this school is expensive, and I spent so much money on you, and I spent roughly 6 million. So now I expect that whatever I invest in you, I will see results. So recite Psalm 23 for me. Recite Psalm 23 for me.
Let's have it.
Psalm 23. The Lord is my second. The Lord is my special. Eyes cannot. Papa, where they go now? Where they go? Okay, Papa, where might give you one more line? He make me carry my green pastor. He make me carry my green pastor.
Why are you gonna face this competition? You don't even see him.
They tell me something on my wisdom, This guy thing will happen to me. I not go believe. Now they regret and they cry.
You will cry, don't worry. Oluwa dollars.
Soldier is dead and gone to his grave.
Voila.
No be Gadu's videos.
My $20. Hey! Let's have it.
Agree to bros.
Hey!
Jesus! Blood of Jesus, blood.
You know, see, you slap from come.
Jesus!
Who found the slapper now?
Oh! Not go walk. Evil man.
5 years of madness.
Excuse me, mama. Hello.
You know we leave her come out.
No worry. They still they pick money for floor for this kind of time. No, you go cry. If they make you go job prediction, that Telegram channel, where they predict sure and accurate matches for free. Now there you they pick. See, no, you go cry. You see, by the advice student of this generation, youth, say, me then they industrious. Then they pour spit from my face. You go cry, you go let. No worry, they pick.
You know pick again? Jesus. You go back, oh. Still go back. This guy really will go.
You don't see the air word or not.
They go fight you, don't
What belongs to Caesar? To Caesar.
Yeah. Jesus!
Can you imagine? Money where you for just leave, they go where they go. You really want to pick 100 naira. You sure say you thank God say no be for ambulance they carry you come out. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video to the very end. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it down in the comment section. In case you're coming across my channel for the very first time and you're yet to subscribe, please do the needful. Subscribe, guys. Share this video. Share it. Drop nice comments and check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. I give the best. So, see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.